Okay, we're trying to get to this supercharger here, and I don't think the car knows where it's at. It's not showing a map of it. It's the Yale Street Superchargers. I guess it keeps going down here. I think it has to go on the top. So it doesn't know where the supercharger's here in Houston. So yeah, it still can't find these superchargers. There's 35 of them. 22 are available. And the car doesn't know where to go. It's lost. So I'm gonna have to disengage. Also, I was driving earlier and I was trying to hit the mic button and the steering wheel turned, but I hit the disengage and I lost my streak. So I'm going to manually drive this. And I think what we need to do is go up the ramp. Find this supercharger. I should have gone around. Yeah, there's the Tesla sign for the supercharger. Now let's see if I can re-engage it here once on the ramp. See if I can figure out from there. But yeah, it should know where the superchargers are, and it could not find it here. Yeah, it looks like this top deck area is just for supercharging. 2, 6. And yeah, I have a long ride to Austin and back, so that's why I'm charging, waiting to get up to a customer. But anyway, it's interesting I couldn't find this supercharger.